Today's video is a Chausson vehicle. It is the 630 Etape Line, or Etape Line, if you're speaking English. It's on an automatic gearbox. It is going to cost you, I'll tell you that because I can't remember off the top of my head, it's a 67,000 euros, 7 meters long, 235 centimeters wide. What this can offer is an amazingly large lounge. See, I didn't lie, did I? Look how big it is. Above the lounge we've got two single beds. They'll drop down electronically, and I bet I'm just going to check this just to be on the safe side. Yeah, you see, it's not working. They've taken the fuse out, and I can't say I blame them. Most people do take the fuses out, so in fact if it had come down, I would have been surprised. But anyway, you can also make a bed below. You can even, so in theory you can actually sleep 4 people in here if you wanted to. This is on a Ford base. So Chausson uses both Fiat and Ford. So in many cases there's a choice. Not always, but in many cases. Side kitchen, it's got 2 burners and a sink over here, which is hidden. There's your sink. Layout, huge amount of space, isn't there? We've got storage under the kitchen block, and it comes with USBs there, but look at the amount of space in there as well. The other side we've got a fat fridge from Bedford, and we've got a fat freezer above it. Storage there. At the back we've got a toilet here. We've got access to the garage through there, and in here, I didn't turn the light on, sorry, it doesn't matter. Oh, sorry, I did. 2 drainage points in this enormous shower. Outstanding. And here we have a storage, drawers, wardrobe. And this is a vehicle which I think could suit many full-timers. The reason for this is there's so much storage in it, but also at the same time it's able to offer you all of this space. There could be an argument, which I accept, that at times it's better to have a fixed bed, so if there's 2 of you, at least you can sort of escape from each other from time to time. And this, something with a large lounge like this, you're still in the same place, and I would accept that as an argument. This is completed with a sensible sliding door, a bit of a storage up there, toilet, sink. I think it's quite impressive. I'm going to show you the same vehicle in a integrated form right now. So we've got in the mosquito net door with an interesting pattern on it, including 2 storage areas, so you can keep the dog's lead in one and the dog's collar in the other. Blackout blind up here, and over here storage. You can easily get a couple of bikes in there, I would imagine, plus other stuff. Now this here is part of a bed that can be made up, a spare bed. They cost a lot of money, don't bother with them. Get a blow up mattress. It works. It can be harder, and 12 euros mine cost, something like that. I can't quite remember what it was when I was 30s. What I think I paid for the pump. What's that? About 7 euros. No, it was a bit more than that. Okay, maybe 20 euros. Maybe I'm just exaggerating. But anyway, it's very cheap. Slide door, so you can close that. You can see from the internal of the washing area. There's a door in the other side as well. Let's now go and see this in an integrated version. Now, an integrated version, you usually should count approximately 15% more money. This is going to cost 88,000 euros. The prices don't mean much though, because it depends on the equipment levels actually given. This one doesn't have the same bed layout. It has a double bed. You can get the bed like this in the integrated, semi-integrated as well, and you can get the bed like layout in the, then it's in the other one, the two singles in the integrated. So both works the same. The advantage here is at the front of the vehicle, you've got this panoramic look at the front, and for me, having lived now in an integrated vehicle for 1.5 years, I couldn't go back to a semi-integrated. Anyway, rest is, however, the same. Same back storage at the back in here, and there is the shower unit. Okay, it looks a little bit different, but in general, the layout is the same. Of course, when you get something like this, you can choose the fabrics and yourself if it's new. If it's used, then you get what you're given. Space though, that's what I see here. Lots and lots of space. Right, I'm now going to take you back. Having seen this one here, I'll show it to you from the front. That's 6040 Etape Line. Etape Line. Sorry. In French, there's a G in it. L-I-G-N-E. So Etape is French for stage. And so there you go. There is that. There's this vehicle. Hey, there's a party on outside. I think I'll go and see what's on at the party. Look at that. Some people out there having a good time, and I'm in here. So I hope you found that interesting. I've tried to compare here the semi-integrated, where you've got the Ford front on it, or the Fiat, depending on which vehicle it is, and Fiat, and the integrated, where you've got the whole thing is manufactured by Chausson, and the bits from the Fiat Ford, I mean, are, well, the wheels, but they're hidden largely. You've got the driving position, okay, it is the same, but the rest of it is just built around, and so that is the difference between the two. There are those who say that the integrated is far more dangerous. It doesn't have the safety features of the semi-integrated, and well, I think that's true actually. We do have to be more careful. The semi-integrated is much tougher in the event of an accident, or frontal accident anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day 21:15. It's the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube, so if you want to see more, then there's plenty more on this channel. But for the moment, from me in Germany, thanks for watching, and bye for now.